Hi guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Today we're going to be lubing and checking the oil levels of the axles, all to do with underneath Malachi. Do a little bit of preventive maintenance, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I got a special unboxing today. I got it from Dennis Thompson, and I just have to say before I open it that it is a complete blessing to me and my family and the gospel mission. When I receive gifts from donors from out of the blue, just guys that want to help and that have a heart for seeing the mission and the success of Malachi and the continued strength of the program with the gospel mission, it just blows me away. I mean, I don't have any corporate sponsorships. The only one that's been sponsoring this program entirely has been the wife and I, and we love it. We're doing it for Jesus and the mission and the will of God. At least that's what we believe that we're doing. We're helping the poor. It's just heartfelt, guys, and I truly am so thankful. I'm so thankful for all that you do for us. Guys that have sent me stuff, it's just amazing, and I know that it is out of the goodness of your hearts, and to me that is amazing. It's wisdom given by God, and I really do appreciate it, and I totally keep you in my prayers. But I keep you in my prayers to hopefully keep you safe, keep your family safe, and be well with God. All right, this is what Dennis sent me. I turned it over so you can't see any, you can't see his address or mine. But again, out of the goodness and blessings Dennis got me 4 new shocks that can go on Malachi, and my gosh, what a blessing. Thank you so much, Dennis. I so much appreciate it. And you know what, guys, Dennis also sent me a package of discs that I can help better maintain Malachi, and your generosity blows me away, Dennis. I so much appreciate things like that. It really helps me out, because you guys know I'm not a mechanic. I'm a better entertainer than I am a mechanic. I can turn wrenches and things, but there are guys that do it so much better than me. So when things like this come in the mail that help me out, it's just incredible, and it touches my heart. So thank you so very much. Everybody likes a cold start. And here I want to show you something. It's going to be great getting new shocks in. Oh. This thing is like a bucking bronco. It definitely needs them. Well, hey guys, there's a lot of grease fittings that we're going to have to tackle today. But first, I recommend Lucas products, because, and this is a non-paid advertisement, but I recommend this because it is a pretty good brand name, and they have a very good track record. This is the red and tacky number 2, and it is for these type vehicles. So I think that'll work out really well. And of course, I got my handy dandy grease gun. Let's get to work. All right, this is the driver's side, and I crank my tires to the right, and I might as well check out the first one that's probably the most hidden and least known. I only found out about this because it was posted on the, uh-oh, mine's missing. It's supposed to be there. It's not there. Well, I brought these out just in case. I hope I got one in there that will fit. How in the world I'm going to get a grease fitting in there? All right, you have one on the very top of the hub, right here. One on the very bottom of the hub. It's right here if you can see it. And then you have one right here. This is just part of the arm that goes across. Stabilizer. Yeah, I've got a little bit of damage here on. Matter of fact, this thing is, yep, well, it's toast. It's completely gone. Well, I'm gonna still goop some grease up in there, and I guess I'll just have to find a replacement for these. It's a good thing that you do these inspections every once in a while, because this stuff can dry rot pretty easy, especially if it's been sitting for a long time. Well, I know it's Jeter and it's redneck, but just to keep the dirt out, I put a blue paper towel, folded it up, and then put some Gorilla Tape around it. And hopefully that will hold until I can get another one of these. Try to find it somewhere. All right, since I'm here, there's one right there on the drive shaft, forward drive shaft. And if you follow the drive shaft up, there's another one right there on that U-joint. Now, if you get a greaser that won't take any grease, it just keeps puking it out, you need to take a little piece of wire and just kind of push that little ball bearing. It don't take much. You can kind of see that some of it is coming out because it's kind of under pressure. So that looks like it's probably got plenty in there. I'm not going to try to push any more in. And before you add any grease, it's always best to wipe it all down first, and that way you're not going to push any contaminants up inside where it might start wearing out components a little bit quicker. Well, while I'm at the front end, I might as well check the oil level. And it's just a 1/2 inch drive. course, the camera is really in my way, so let me see if I can get this with the camera. Ugh. Holy mackerel! Someone got that German tight. Guten tight. Oh my gosh. All right, time to bring out the PB blaster. See if I can get my hand first. Of course, this is on a level surface. Oh, and it says if there's any that comes pouring out, just to let it come pouring out so long as it's on a level surface. And there's a little bit too much in there. Oh, and it's magnetic. And I see no ferrous material built up on there. That is good. That's always nice to see. And it's really in good shape, this oil, so that is a plus. That's good. All right, this is the forward part of the rear drive shaft, and there's a Zerk fitting here. There's one inside here, and there's another one in this side here. So there's a total of 3 just in this unit here. All right, this is the rear differential. I already got it a little bit loose. Okay. Oh my goodness, yep, it's right, cleared full. And no metal shavings. It's kind of nice that that's magnetic. I like that. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching. If you like the video, please leave a like. And if you would please, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It really helps support the channel, and I really do appreciate it. And until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson, and I'm signing out. Be safe, and God bless. Hey guys, apparently Dennis is looking for rotor blades, so if you have any, please send them to Dennis. Get in touch with them on the Lmtv Facebook page, all right? All right, take care.